welcome to my channel, Crazy Good Food. Today we're going to make taco cups. We're going to start with a pound of hamburger and a half a cup of onions. I'm going to fry them up in the pan. Okay, so while that's frying up, I took tortillas and I took scissors and I cut them in a square. I'm going to put them in the microwave for 20 seconds. And then I'm going to put them in the cupcake pan. Okay, so now I'm going to spray my cupcake pans. And this has been heated up, and I'm going to tuck them in. Make it look cute. Soften them up so they press right into the cups. It's going to be so cute. Okay. Let's set them aside. So I'm going to add 4 cups of salsa, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, I'm going to add chili powder, and that's at 1 tablespoon, and then a teaspoon of salt. And mix all that together. Okay, so now it's time to fill our cups. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons. You see how that fills up the cup? So heaping 2 tablespoons. Ooh, perfect. So this is a 2 tablespoon cup, a heaping tablespoon. Looking delicious. We're also going to add cheese, sour cream, lettuce, tomatoes, your normal taco. These are such a great appetizer, a great addition to a kid's party. You don't have to fuss with the shells or anything. It's already made up. You just pick them up and put them on their plate. How much easier does that get? You don't have to lay all that stuff out. Our cheese looks so good. So now we're going to bake them in the oven at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's time to take them out of the oven. They look delicious. Okay, it's all done, nice and toasty. Let's start with add some cheese. Let's see here. Let's put some cheese on there. You can leave a cup without cheese in case somebody doesn't like cheese, but I'm just going to put it on all of them. If you want, you can pop them back in the oven and melt the cheese, but I'm not going to do that either. So put it on there like you do a taco. Okay, so let's add some tomatoes. They're the cutest little cupcakes. So easy, simple to make. Some lettuce. Oh my gosh, these are so nice looking. Your guests would be impressed. If you want to make it a little bit more fancy, throw it on a nice cake plate. Nice summer dish. Looking gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So they simply slip out. They, of course, stay in the cup. Cupcakes. Oh my gosh, you don't want to get that fancy when the kids come home from school. So easy, simple to make. So let's give it a try. Mmm. It's really good. Simple, ready to eat. Please subscribe.